To upload architectural MEP or structural Revit models to the document management module via Revit, open your relevant model in Revit, establish Publish Settings by going to the Collaborate tab and selecting Publish Settings. Create a new set by selecting on the single paper symbol on the upper right corner of the Publish Settings dialog. This example takes mostly on the ground floor, so we'll set a set called Set 3 Ground Floor. Included in this set are View, Floor Plan, Ground Floor, our Sheet A101 Ground Floor and 3D View Ground Floor. So be sure to add a checkbox to Set 1 3D Views, Set 2 Sheets and Set 3 Ground Floor before selecting the Save and Close button. Go to the Collaborate tab. When the Collaborate dialog box appears, select in BIM 360 Document Management, then click OK. Select the location of your project. Select the project name, select project files, select the architecture folder for your architectural Revit model or the relevant folder, select the initiate button. When the upload is successful, you'll be sent a confirmation. Repeat this process for your other models, including MEP or structural Revit models, placing them in the appropriate folder. When the dialog appears with the three green symbols beside it, you know it's been successfully initiated. You can then access your document management module using your web browser, log into your BIM 360, and then navigate to your architectural folder where you placed your 3D or your model file. You can then navigate through the 3D model, either 2D drawings also, and you can view the various different views that you have set up from your sheet publish settings within Revit as well. You can also perform different compare functions using BIM 360 as well, and you can navigate around your 3D model using the Orbit tool also.